Everyone, welcome to the vlog. Carlo here. This is a channel where we talk about mostly sneakers and tech. And today we're going to do a quick review of the newly released OPPO F7 smartphone. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we are giving away a brand new Adidas Profire the moment we hit 10,000 subscribers. And just around the corner, we're about to hit 5,000 subscribers. We're going to give away an Adidas D-Rupt. So make sure that you hit that subscribe button and give me a follow on Instagram as well. Here's the headline. The OPPO F7 brings a lot of flagship features. Features that you usually get with smartphones at around 30,000, 40,000, 50,000 to a phone that's worth 17,000 pesos. That's the main headline for this device. It was able to fix a lot of the issues that previous models of the OPPO F series had. So what are those features? Of course, you have the fingerprint unlock, you have the face unlock, and probably the most interesting one, they even have almost the same design as the iPhone X with the notch here at the top. By the way, this notch isn't just supposedly for aesthetic reasons because this supposedly houses a Sony sensor 25 megapixel camera, and we'll talk about that more in a bit because that's actually one of the most defining key features of this device. As you guys can see with the screen, they pretty much did the full screen front kind of treatment that you usually get with smartphones at the top price tier level. And at the back, it seems like it has some sort of glass coating to give it even a more premium feel. And I think that's one of the really key things about the OPPO F7. Apart from being able to deliver a lot of those really nice features from high-end devices, they also made an effort to really make it look good, to make it look premium, to make it look like a flagship caliber device. So let's talk about the main killer feature of the OPPO F7. It's really this 25 megapixel front-facing camera that you have here that's aided by artificial intelligence for the instant rendering and editing of your photos. So in a nutshell, what does it do? Without getting too much into tech, the sensor that you have here at the notch scans your entire face, well, most of your face, including your eyes. And while you're taking the shot, if you have beautification, AI beautification mode on, it bellifies or it automatically enhances a lot of the features on your face. So you no longer have to go to Snapseed, you no longer have to manually edit it because it will instantly smooth out a lot of the flaws that are supposedly on your face, and it even makes your eyes pop a little bit more because the sensor now covers your eyes. This was not found in previous iterations of the AI beauty mode of the OPPO F series. It's really all about the automated enhancements and editing that happens on a 25 megapixel front-facing camera. So you get that, put it in a really nice looking phone, a sleek looking phone, a premium looking phone, add to it probably one of the best MediaTek processors. By the way, most MediaTek processors have issues with overheating and random lags. For most of what I can tell, having used this for a couple of days now, it's not really present anymore with the OPPO F7 unless you go on for like hours of gaming on like high graphics gameplay. So for the most part, this is actually a really powerful phone. And I was really surprised because I was never truly impressed with MediaTek. Initially, I'm more of a Snapdragon guy, but they were able to pull something cool with this device. I think MediaTek is coming to the fore when it comes to their technology, and the best showcase for that is really the OPPO F7. Apart from that, they also enhanced the rear camera. The previous iterations of devices with really good selfie cameras, they scrimp on the rear camera. That's the dirty secret. But for this one, it actually has a pretty solid both front and rear facing camera. Again, if you guys want the more comprehensive review, I'll put a link down below on our full review over at the Unbox PH YouTube channel. Now, something has to give, right? And something did. There are two things that are primarily things that I noticed that aren't like flagship level, you know, the 30,000, 40,000 peso features that you get with this device. Number one, it's really the display. The display is not OLED or the same type of display that you get with devices that ship within the 40 to 50 to 60,000 price range. I'm not saying that it's bad. It's actually pretty good, but it's something that you would notice if your eyes have been spoiled with like the S9s or the S8s or even the iPhone Xs. You will see the difference. Lastly, this is probably the main problem or the main issue that you will get with the F7 series is that the MediaTek processor, I think, won't allow for full Android updates. Now, it doesn't mean that you will not get Android updates as you go along. In fact, I talked to the guys over at OPPO Philippines, and they did mention that you will still get software updates for stability, you know, making sure that the phone is still up to date. But getting like a full Android update, you know, the Android 8.0, 9.0, 10, whatever, zero marshmallow stuff, that probably won't come. So do I recommend the OPPO F7? If you love glossy, glamorous selfies with really nice eyes and smooth skin and, you know, automated beautification so that you don't have to edit it anymore, then the OPPO F7 might be for you. That's one of the best selfie cameras out in the market. It comes in a fantastic body. It's really glossy. It looks really luxe. It feels good in the hand, and the display, while not yet at the OLED levels, does come in a package that looks much more like a flagship device more than ever. And lastly, the MediaTek processor is one of the best that I've ever seen. For the full review, make sure that you guys hit the link down below for our review over at unbox.ph, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this quick tech review. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button because we have a bunch more content coming this week. That's it for now. Peace. God bless. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Subscribe.